Ow, this thing stabbed me 3 times already. Hello, my beauty. We are reunited. I'm so excited. Yes, everything is there. Oh, beautiful. Listen, guys, don't worry. My office is coming soon.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I tell her you see with your boy right now. She said back into the club. Hey, Big Mike, they had a Sunday.
Yeah, so I haven't really been vlogging much, and we did so much fun stuff this weekend. I really wish I had my vlog camera, but I forgot it, so I didn't get any like real good footage, but we were living and having fun, and I was present in the moment. I just wish I had some like content. I might some stuff that I filmed on my phone, like insert that.
And I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. I told you that a flower blooms in the dark room. What you trusted, I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and him. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off.
So I wish I could honestly like take everything out and then put it back in and organize it, but listen, work smarter, not harder. All right, guys. So this is the final. Look, it's quite temporary. I can't wait till we get these shelves done. Might be a weekend project this weekend. I don't know. But yeah, so I'll link everything that I use down below, and then y'all make sure you buy so you can support the fund of spending.
Plenty of champagne, cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range.
I made it upstairs. I'm about to organize and decorate like the vanity area. I decided to go with this one because it matches our tile, and then also this trash can. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is like incorporate like kind of marble things here, just to kind of like tie in everything together. But yeah, so I got all of this stuff from Amazon. I can link everything down below, as you guys know. And let's just do this. Let's just have fun.
Yes, I write it down for real. P.S. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, too much your other man. I was trying to put you on game, but you on a plane, taking your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you gotta adjust it.
We're ready to juice. So I really like juicing. Joshua actually put me onto fresh juicing. It like really does have a lot of health benefits. So yeah, let me break that out and get juice. Clean the veggies and fruits. This one look a little sad. I might need to grab another one. But so I'm gonna do green with kale, celery, cucumber, apple, pineapple, and then I'm gonna do orange with carrot, ginger. Let me get some oranges, and then the ginger. So I do that for both of them, actually. I think this is all the ingredients right here. Fresh crouton, fresh chicken, fresh sauce, fresh lettuce. He is making some Caesar salad fresh. Wow.
Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you coming home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time.
The couches are here. I'm so happy. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. And then I got this lint trash can bin. There were some cuter ones on Amazon, but they were gonna take way too long. So I'm gonna design a cute thing that says like lint bin. Once Joshua fills with these custom covers for up here and downstairs, it's gonna look so good. So I'm gonna sign off now. I'm definitely gonna edit now and upload it by tonight, tomorrow, Friday, one of the days, I don't know. But enjoy, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already.
What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping.
I love holding you.